I never seen you on YouTube channel. On YouTube video, I never seen you.
Actually, I have started talking to different kind of people recently,
Okay, recently you
especially
have
on
started.
Skype. On Skype,
Okay.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. So
Wanted you
how
to
did it
know about
start?
Skype?
How did you got this Skype application? How did you get?
Actually, a friend of mine told me about this thing that you can talk to different kind of people on this Skype app. Otherwise, before this time, I was talking on Camly.
Okay.
Some foreign teachers, America and England, and these kind of teachers who are there. And since we have done everything in English, like I am postgraduate in English, so I think that we should be able to understand everything.
Yeah, okay,
Foreigners,
let's start with introduction so that we'll understand more. Right. Please introduce yourself. I would love to know about you.
yeah. Can you see me properly? Actually, I think it is
I
dark. That's
I
why.
I can see you, don't worry. Yes.
Okay. So my name is Season. I am from UP, and I like playing badminton, reading English books, novels, and newspaper, and watching some English cartoons, especially for the purpose of learning new words and sentences. And apart from this thing, if I talk about my education, so I am postgraduate, especially in English subject, and I have learned British and English accents, both these things from foreign teachers. So that's
Oh
a summary
wow,
intro of mine.
amazing. So you have learned this American accent and British accent both.
Yeah, both the things from foreign teachers.
Do you
From
speak?
America, yeah, of course, if you ask, I can do that.
All right, we'll do further. But yeah, I can see that you are speaking English well, and even in Indian accent, like very clear and very simple way. So I felt that I don't know you know or not, but as you mentioned that you know British accent and American accent also. But I don't know British accent and American accent. I'm just learning English language. That's it.
But even then, your accent is, I mean, completely clear. So it is not bad. That's also right.
Yeah, British
Uh,
accent and American accent is quite difficult to understand, you know.
Yeah, that's why I try
I,
to learn those things so that I may teach some students that these kind of things, these kind of rules are applied there. And
okay, so do you teach,
Especially in American English, it is very tough to understand them.
okay, so do you teach English or you teach accent?
Yeah, I have uploaded some video on my channel, but very soon I'm about to start offline coaching because some
Okay.
students are requesting me for starting that.
Hmm. I
Yeah.
think you want to do so many things in English language. All right. So before that, I would like to tell about myself as well, if you want.
Yes, yes, of course. Why not?
Yeah. Okay. So my name is Sweta and I'm from Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. I have completed graduation and recently I'm doing masters in first year from English literature. Same thing I
Wow.
did. We are doing. I think you did, but I'm doing still. I'm in first year. And as well as I have a YouTube channel regarding English. I make conversation video and yeah, that's all about me. And I teach English. I
You teach
started
English.
teaching. Yeah, I started learning and that time at the same time I started teaching also. And it's been quite 6 months that I have been teaching.
6 months. In college or school?
Institute.
Okay. Is it your own institute?
Yeah, it's not my institute, but it's our own. It means in the sense of my sister's institute, but I also included there.
So what do you teach there? I mean, English
In
literature
and
or English grammar or English language?
no, English language I teach, and even grammar also because grammar is important and it is the part of English language. So of course,
Yeah, of course. So you
uh,
would be aware of all the rules and regulations of grammar, I think. Tenses, narration, passive voice,
exactly. When
synthesis.
I started learning English, that time I was not focusing on grammar, but once I started teaching, so I have to know proper everything about grammar, topic, technique, structure, right? So I started learning, and still I am studying these days a lot about grammar, deep way, or depth way you can say. because I also want to learn proper grammar. And I didn't learn by learning grammar previously when I started learning. I started learning by listening, watching, and speaking. But yes, gradually I learned, and I have been teaching offline, online both.
Yeah, I think grammar is important for the teachers who are going to teach English, how to speak. And if we talk about common people who want to speak English just for simple conversation, so it's okay. They can speak broken English too. That's okay.
Okay, so do you live village?
No, no,
Village?
no, no. I am in the city at this time. In the hostel. I live in the hostel.
Okay, it looks like a village. I felt that
No, no,
you
no.
belong to village and you stay in village.
No, actually, this time I have come out of the city.
Okay, where do you live basically
At present, at present,
at present?
yeah, in Sultanpur district.
Okay,
Have you
so
heard?
you have, yeah,
Have you ever heard about this district,
no,
UP?
UP I heard, but not district.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I what I wanted to ask about to you that still you are working or you are doing any job or you are still studying. What do you do
No, no,
basically?
still studying because some kind of things were left there that I was completing, and after that I will start teaching. That's it.
Okay, so basically, what do you teach? What will you teach? What do you want to teach?
English, everything.
Yeah, like
Almost.
everything, literature, grammar, English, what?
I will try. I will start with spoken English, and after that, grammar and English literature too. Everything, because
Okay,
I am very interested in this field. That's why.
okay, amazing. That's one amazing. So when did you start learning English that now you want to teach?
Uh, Around 6 years ago.
Oh, it's been 6 years that you have been learning.
Yeah, since when I've been practicing it and I've been speaking it.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, I
Yeah.
have been also learning for a long time, approx more than 2 years. So not that much, but yes,
Okay. Who motivated you for learning English?
yes.
Who motivated you for speaking English, for learning spoken English?
Okay, nobody as such, but I started learning English just because of my uh, interest. Actually, when I was in school, that time I did my school in Bengali medium, and I didn't get an environment, or I didn't know about English language. So I wanted to learn this language. I was reading books and I was not understanding. And even I was just not writing properly. So I was thinking, why, what I need to do here. So in school life, as we know that I studied also in government school and also that was in Bengali. So I didn't know how to learn English and I didn't know even the language. So after completing my school, I took English literature. So there I got to know that this is a language and we need to learn this. So I started learning. And my sister also told me to learn English language when I was in school. So yeah, she motivated me.
Yes, yes. Do you have some friends who speak English?
Nobody, no one. Like if I talk about online platform, then I have friends. But practically, like physically, I don't have any friends to talk with them. Like in my in area, basically, if I talk about, then nobody speaks English. I don't listen with anybody from
Even
anybody.
I, even I have watched some videos in which a lot of students from West Bengal speak English. I have seen them. I have watched their videos. That's why I
Okay,
thought maybe you have some friends.
in West Bengal, and there are a lot of people are there. Maybe they are speaking English, but in our area, this is belong to village. So here nobody speaks English that much. We only study in Bengali or Hindi medium. Most of the students study in Hindi and Bengali, or some of those who learn English or English medium, but they don't even speak English. They also those who are English medium student, I don't see them speaking English. So I never came across with people that I can talk English with them. I never I never got chance to speak with people in front of each other or physically. You can say I have never got this opportunity. Just I only talk in front of camera or online platform by
Okay.
using this. Yeah.
Actually,
And
it
what
is
about
getting.
you?
Actually, I think I am becoming invisible. So we should try to connect some other time, right? It's very late here. You can see nothing is seen.
Yeah, exactly. I think we should start our conversation in different, better way so that we can continue because it's only 11 minutes. What do you think about that?
Uh, we should try to connect again tomorrow. Are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes, I will free.
At what time?
Um, exactly, I can't tell you because I teach English, offline, online, both. So I have to think about that. I'll mention you time on
Okay.
request.
Yeah, you please tell me in the comment. I mean, on this app that I will be free at this time. So we will connect at that time, right?
Yeah, do you connect in this way every day?
In this way,
It means outside, I mean to
outside.
say.
No, no, not outside always, but sometimes I come here just for. Actually, it is not possible for anyone to sit inside the room from the morning till the evening
Mhm.
in the hostel. So I came here just for having fresh air, etc.
You stay at hostel. What do you do there? You study in
Yes,
hostel,
yes,
I
yes.
think.
Of course.
Okay. So I think you should go back now. It's
Yeah, yeah,
already
of
dark.
course. Now you can see no one is seen here.
Yes. But
It is
it's
complete.
good, right? Sometimes we need to go in this type of place and we feel calm and peace and little bit relax we get. I feel so.
Actually, I am normally I come here for recording the videos because this scene that is
Okay.
there behind me. It is very very charming, and people like
Yeah.
watching these kind of.
Okay, that's why you come. But I love to visit in this type of place or area for the enjoyment and for the peace and calm. Because inside room all the time we use phone and we do work on phone. A lot of things are there for reason I want to go outside. So yeah, all right then. This much for today. Thank you so much for connecting. We'll connect
Okay,
soon.
okay.